Every passion has a beginning. For us, it started with watching Vito's videos. We weren't pizza experts. We were simply inspired by someone who truly loved pizza. Through Vito's passion, we learned how to make dough, how to control fire, and how pizza could bring people together. That passion pushed us further. We started studying every pain point of pizza ovens: heat control, cooking consistency, fuel efficiency, user experience. And then we started building. What became the Kano Pizza Oven was born from inspiration. Not just to build another oven, but to build something worthy of the passion that inspired us. As grill experts, we believed fire cooking could connect people, and Vito believed pizza could do the same. Two passions, one philosophy. At Prokan, our belief has always been built for generations of gatherings. Because we don't just build cooking products, we build moments that bring families and friends together. After months of conversations, testing, and shared passion, Vito finally said yes. Today we are proud to introduce Prokan Vito Signature Series, a collaboration built by fire, passion, and gathering. Prokan Vito Signature Series, built for generations of gatherings.